Ever wondered why you're always broke, no matter how hard you try? It's not just about money. It's about habits you repeat every single day. Habit number 1, choosing comfort over growth. Instead of learning new skills, most people choose entertainment. Habit number 2, spending before saving. Money comes in, and disappears just as fast. Habit number 3, blaming others. Time keeps moving, but nothing changes. Habit number 4, fear of taking risks. Opportunities come, but fear pushes you back. Habit number 5, wasting time on distractions. Hours go by, but nothing productive gets done. Habit number 6, no clear goals. Without direction, you stay stuck. Habit number 7, avoiding growth. Instead of improving, most people stay in their comfort zone. When you start taking small actions, saving, learning, improving, day by day, you stop being broke, and start building your future.